Orange. Two chemical indicators there. What are the two chemical indicators? Phenolphthalein, phenolphthalein, methyl orange. Phenolphthalein. What is the color of phenolphthalein? White or colorless? Colorless. Phenolphthalein is colorless. Methyl orange, orange in color. So first I am taking methyl orange. Methyl orange. When methyl orange mixing with lemon water. Methyl orange is mixing with lemon water. What is the nature of lemon water, Nana? Acid. Lemon water nature is acid. So if methyl orange mixed with acid, how it turns? Color changes into red. When methyl orange react with acid, it turns into the reddish in color. Let us see. Lemon water is, it turns into the red or not? Red or not? Changing red color? Changing or not? See, red color. Okay? So, methyl orange, with the help of methyl orange, we can find acids. So, how it turns on? When methyl orange react with acids, it turns into the reddish color. Those acids are turns into the reddish color. See, red color. Okay? Yes? Now, again, methyl orange is mixing with lime water. What is the nature of lime water? This is lemon base. When methyl orange, when methyl orange is mixing, changing or not? Light yellowish color. Change or not? Yellowish color. See?
Yes.
Okay? When methyl orange mixed with lime water, it turns into a yellowish color. So with the help of methyl orange, we can find bases also. See here, methyl orange is a chemical indicator. So when methyl orange is mixed with acids, this turns into the reddish color. This is lemon water, acidic in nature. So when methyl orange mixed with lemon water, it turns into reddish color. When methyl orange mixed with the lime water, it turns into the yellowish color. So what we are concluding, with the help of methyl orange, we can find acids, we can find bases. How, Nana? When methyl orange react with the acids, these are turns into the reddish color. When methyl orange react with bases, these are turns into the yellowish or light yellowish in color. Okay. So when methyl orange react with neutral solutions or neutral substances, there is no color change. Orange becomes orange or orange remains orange. Okay. So no need to do. Can you see? Orange remains orange. Yes, orange remains orange or not? So this is neutral. Water. Okay. Yes, now what is this phenolphthalein? With the help of phenolphthalein, only we can find the bases. When phenolphthalein mixed with bases, it turns into the pinkish color. Let us see. Phenolphthalein we are adding into chem. Which color camera? Pink. So, what is this nature of the substance? Actually, which substance we took into this? Lime water. So when lime water is react with phenolphthalein, it turns into pink. So this is which nature of substance? Basic nature of substance. Neutral. Okay. This methyl orange help us to find acids, bases, neutral, and this phenolphthalein help us to find only base. Yes, clear?